Okay, today is Monday, June 2nd, and we took a little loss today, which is okay. I was stuck to a bias of price continuing down after ES came down and swept out the lows, but NASDAQ didn't. I thought we were going to retrace back up and then continue lower, but I de-risked a little bit because it was past 10:30 of where I usually look for a setup. Again, everybody has their own trading strategy and everything, but again, I ended up taking my loss a little bit early too because I didn't like the way price action was looking. So I took a little loss. I was targeting a 1 to 3, which would have been nice. But again, I think I missed the move because I waited for news to come out first for today because we had PMI at 10 a.m. I thought news was going to do a little bit more than it did, but it didn't. And a move occurred before that. So I didn't end up taking that trade. And I guess I just missed out on the move today. The trade that I took, I was going for a 1 to 3.6 on it. But again, we came into this 5-minute fair value gap after sweeping buy side liquidity. Then we came down. ES came down and swept out these 1 hour lows down below. So I thought we were at least going to retrace back up and then continue back down and at least take out these 5-minute lows and these 15-minute lows. But again, I was wrong. Price ended up chopping around for a little bit, and I ended up taking my my loss right around here. As you can see, it's a little blurry because my finger. But I took my loss right around there, and I ended up taking a little bit of a loss today, which isn't too big. So again, we took a loss today. It is what it is. In trading, you're going to take losses regardless. The main thing you got to deal with is not trying to rush back and get those profits. There's no opportunities right now that I see. I'm done trading for the day. We have 4 other days in the week to trade. We're going to go and look for a setup on those days. Again, today didn't work out in my favor. It might have been a bad trade, but I followed my rules. I stick to my rules, and the trade didn't end up playing in my way. So again, I think the best situation for today would have been not to take a trade. I think since 10:30 hit and there wasn't a setup yet, I shouldn't even look for a trade. I know some people trade all the way till 11, but again, with my strategy, I don't like placing a trade past 10:30 or 10:40, and I ended up placing this trade around 10:38. So again, we took a loss today. It is what it is. We're not going to full port try and get this shit back. We're going to stick to the long-term plan, and I feel like that's the hardest thing for traders. They take a loss. They think it's the end of the world, but it's part of the game. You're going to lose no matter what. There's no such thing as a 100% win rate strategy. If people tell you that, that's some bullshit. So again, took a loss today. Part of the game. Let's see what the next couple days hold for us, and hopefully we end the week in profit.